It's so cold outside. Let's my face this way. Cause outside too cold, guys. I'm not go out there again. Too cold. And it's not summer. It's not winter. Hi, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. It's cold outside. I've walked outside already. So it's cold outside. It's so cold outside. So cold outside. Welcome in, guys. It's cold on the outside. So I'm inside. It's a little chilly here too. Today is colder. I think it's 50 something. For me, that's cold. Let me show you the plants. Well, it's nice and green. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Like the post, share the live. You know, me should have every time it's me walk with my tripod, I'm gonna end up walking with it every time. But yeah, welcome in. It's cold on the outside, so I'm staying in. It's not a beautiful day. It's cold. And I think it's drizzling. Not raining heavily, but drizzling a bit. Hi, Lola. Of course, I'm happy you caught me too. I'm just taking a lunch break, relaxing, because I can't walk outside. It's cold. How about where you're at? Today is 50 something. Much cooler than yesterday. Much cooler than yesterday. Like up the live, guys. Welcome in and like the live. Share the live. Like up the post. So I'm taking a see the sky. Yes, got slow down today. Everybody did not go too hard from week, so got slow down today for real. Yeah. Look outside. Look at the skies. The sky is kind of dark. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. Yeah. So I just stay in. Yeah. I've been out there already, I've been there, I've toured the campus somehow with somebody this morning. It's so beautiful. I went into the library finally. Yeah. And I went into the bookstore. Really? So I did a fair share of walking this morning. So I'm sort of tired. And out there is cold, so some of me just sit down and relax a bit. Sleep. I'm not gonna sleep, Sleep. Beautiful settings. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Kids are out. Some get for relax in the lounge. In the lounge room. Like up the live, guys. Like, share, and comment. I think this lady in Antigua said they had flooding too. Looks like it's global. Oh wow. Yeah, cause the hurricane season coming on. Remember guys, hurricane season is next month. Be prepared. Cause it started, look like it started already. I don't know what the weatherman say about this season. If it's going to be a good one. But be prepared. Your candle, your candle, your lamp, whether it be battery or hi Shireen, happy Friday to you too. It could be a battery lamp. It could be, yeah, I had a battery one when I was home. That works good. Or you could have one that use kerosene oil. A long time I didn't see that. Kerosene oil still sell? I don't remember. Yeah, should be. Remember to get some tin things. Yeah. Can't buy bread so early, but you can, so you can buy bread and freeze it. You can buy bread and freeze it, and you see when you take it out, it's just as fresh. Yeah. So yeah, you gotta be prepared. You gotta be prepared. Commercial, hello. Welcome in. Thank you. Like and share, guys. Thank you. Yeah, you can freeze bread. Remember the sardine, the mackerel, the corned beef, beans and peas, tuna. Yeah, remember those things. Stock up, because you never know. Global warming taking so much things differently in different directions. So we're going to have to prepare whether we like it or not. So, yeah, that's another motivational thought. Be prepared for any eventuality. Yeah, because I think the signs are out there. It look like we're going to get a lot of rain. Toilet paper, yes, and water and soap too. Yeah, stock up, guys. Stock up, make sure. And your medication, if you have special medication a month, I think they will give you 2 months. If you go to pharmacy, they will give you 2 months in advance. So you gotta be prepared so that these things don't catch you by surprise. Even though sometimes you prepare and sometimes you say, oh really, to come for true? Or really, so much rain a fall? Even though you're preparing, you still doubt yourself. But yeah, try and have some of those stuff at hand. And don't wait till the last minute. Don't wait for the last minute. So are you guys going? Oh, 3 months. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. How are you guys doing? How is the Mother's Day? The topic is anything. Be prepared. Um, Mother's Day. What you buying your mommy? What you go? Well, all of us. Condolences to those who have lost their mom, and for those who still has their mom. What is it you're planning to do? But look at it though. First time, one time, Mother's Day and them something they are coming up. Watch your bird, watch your bird. First time when Mother's Day and then something they are coming up. Well, we only know one format of Mother's Day. We ain't a mother. So it's we always a treat to be mother. No. Children are mothers now. Yes, children are mothers now, so it's kind of hard to say, okay, you're going to do this together. Because your husband might want to carry here, so. And your mother husband may want her to go right there, so. So it's kind of different in all families. So whatever you do, and Ramsey namesake, whatever you do, you try to do it to the best of your ability. Yeah. Some person might go and treat mommy on the Saturday. Some might go in the morning and then go by themselves with their husband. Go have. I'm Anne Marina, but my Marie is my middle name. I don't. Some people call me Anne Marie, but Anne is my first name really, so I use Anne in most cases. Yeah. So yeah, whatever you do, make sure it's all about mom on Sunday. It could be yourself or your mommy. Oh, okay. Oh no. What is the fentanyl? What is it for? I'm not sure. Hi, Jackie. I'm not so sure what fentanyl is for, but I'm sorry to hear. Lola, I'm very sorry to hear. I'm sure. I walked down the place in her spike heel. I'm very sorry to hear. Can they change it? Can you get it changed to something else since you're having these whole lot of these side effect issues? I want to ask them for a change. Exactly. True. Only get one, so we have to love the mother. pain medication. It helps the pain though. The only thing that has helped so far. Okay. Maybe when your body gets used to it, the side effect will go. Yes, guys, like up the live. Actually, not everyday experience day. It should be everyday appearance day. Call your parents, tell them how you love them. When you finish a call, love you, mommy. Just call and say love you, mommy, or just call and just say thank you, mommy. Yeah. So I'm relaxing. I'm just relaxing. It's lunch break. So I was telling them that outside is very cold. I've done my work already this morning. I've been through. If you watched yesterday live, I just found out that the library is next door, and I went there and I took some lovely shots of the front and the flowers and the tree. Beautiful. So I actually went inside this morning. Yes, I get a tour of most of the buildings that I'm afraid I didn't know I could go into. So I did my fair share walk this morning. Hey, Jamaica down and so the door coming like winter outside. It coming like winter is outside again. Wow. Is my son them say the artist? I think so, you know. Yes, son. Oh, Florida. Okay. Almost the same weather though as JA. Nice and warm. And how further stay? I choose a crocodile and then something they come along. Yeah, I know, but how often? Cause we want to go to Florida, I go live, you know, cause of the weather, but I'm afraid of the crocodile story, Baba. The crocodile and the difference, something like, Lord God. And say yes. And oh my God, look at the ceiling. It's so beautiful. Look at the ceiling, guy. Place is so beautiful. Nice place. Nice little place, Mark. Iguana too? Jesus. Nasa, I'm not gonna survive this. So. God. Too much. Too much of them something there. Jesus. So you ever book up in none of them yet, Anne? Thank you, Shireen. Thank you, Jack, Lola. Thank you, everybody, for the birthday, the Mother's Day wishes.
On commencement day, so a week from tomorrow, after commencement, I'm having
Yes, coming at your house.
and their families come to the greenhouse.
Really?
So,
Oh
there's a
my
little bit
God.
coming up before next Saturday.
Jesus.
And you know, if you want
Have
to
mercy.
help again, if they're still around.
Mm.
And
Me not gonna make it that I'm tropical place there.
Howard,
So like it gonna be
position if you would like.
either me and the iguana and the crocodile or them alone. Cause me don't never like to go. I go in my house and book up on one of them something there. Me see it all the while on TV, social media, how the people them going to their house and the crocodile all asleep and the crocodile walking at the window, going go take up president. Me? You crazy? No, sir. Me and them not gonna live in there. That's too much. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. That turned me off, you know. Me can't go to Florida again. Me afraid. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. That sound like. Mm-mm. That sound like that place would not be mine. Crocodile going to people house in Jamaica? No. And them insect they're not going to that people house. Maybe snake. Not snake. 40 leg. Me used to hate that. Still hate 40 leg. The worst. When we used to butt them up. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Yeah, they're in Jamaica. I know. Especially in the St. Thomas. In the pond them. Sometimes we come out town and them block off the road down a Yalas. One place down a Yalas where them always find them. Cooking lizard there. Me not really afraid too much of cooking. If I not come in my way. True. I'm not really afraid of lizard. But nobody look like you gonna jump on me. You can stay up there so and me stay over there so. But no set like you gonna jump. Me gone. Me afraid of crab and fat leg more. Crab and fat leg. I don't love fat leg. I mean, I love crab crawling in places. Nope. Nope. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. So some people afraid of a lizard and a Nancy. Then something there. Can't stay from there now come near me. But fat leg from me. No say in my house somewhere. Me not stay. Crab? From the area crawl somewhere. Gone or me jump on the bed or something. Me not stay with you in there. You know, like them sit there. I never used to eat crab. I used to eat crab and I stop and then I start back. I eat foreign crab. I crave for foreign crab. Cause sometimes you hold them set, they're up there and them like them a look on you. If they're up there and a look on me, crab and fat leg, yeah. But if the lizard look like him in a house and find him a go about in business, I'm not afraid of him. But the moment you're running down and he want to jump on you, I'm gone. The moment he coming like him, I go jump on you, I'm gone. So guys, my lunchtime is up. Oh, UP. Yeah. So remember to like the live, share it. Remember to treat your mother well this weekend. Whatever you do, do it to the best on what you can do. I am in New York. So take care, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the day. If you're having a birthday, happy birthday. If you're celebrating an anniversary, happy anniversary. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. Have a great and blessed weekend and stay safe. Okay? Yes, because Mr. Nation attacked me. He used to live here. Okay. You're afraid of the cold and you run gonna Florida gonna face crocodile. Which one I prefer? I prefer the cold than to go face the insect though. Anyways, take care guys. Bye and see you on my next live. Remember to watch all my other videos guys. Share. and watch those videos. I know, man, because everybody else said they want to go because of the weather. Douglas spent high. We are just closing out our live, so I will see you guys on the next side. Bye. Peace out. Thank you for coming in and take care. Okay? Bye. Bye, everybody.